Hello, bench accounting users. As you may know, bench accounting is shutting down its services. We understand this may raise some questions, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through this transition and help you move forward. It's important that you download your accounting data and ensure everything is safely backed up. Down here, there are some frequently asked questions on how to back up your data. Once you've downloaded your data, it's time to explore new accounting software options. Some alternative includes Xero and QuickBooks Online. Both offer powerful features to help you manage your business finances moving forward. Xero is known for its user-friendly interface and strong integration capabilities. It's great for growing businesses, offering easy invoicing, bank reconciliation, and a suite of reporting tools. QuickBooks Online, on the other hand, is another choice for small businesses with powerful accounting tools and a robust reporting system. Both platforms offer comprehensive accounting solutions that can help you stay organized and save time. But don't worry, we're here to help you with that transition. We've created easy to follow tutorial videos that guide you through setting up your new software and getting the most out of your new platform. Check out our tutorial videos for step-by-step instructions that make the transition smooth and stress-free. Whether you choose Xero or QuickBooks Online, we've got you covered. So make sure you download your data before Bench shuts down. Then you can explore your new accounting software options. Watch our tutorial to get started today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We're here to help you.